Well, this is still not so bad today on the 18th of July 2023. We have Koukkutie 33. This is the building B. We filmed the building A as well here. It's here now. Kerava, Ahjo, and Finland. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams, and it was built in 1970, turning 55 years old in 2025. Modernized in 2004. The Mosaic turn is going to be 20 years old in next year, 2024. And the number is H18323 with 6 wash. And we can also take 2 rods because it's at least delta.
Yeah.
Will be expected in 2025. It has those original shaft doors on the upper floors.
Yeah.
It was without any doors before. The engine is still original here.
Yeah.
It's the VF drive.
Yeah.
But we can try it.
Yeah.
Here the chime as well.
Yeah.
Oh, something is coming, but
Yeah. Roughly 1 rod difference, but
yeah, it's
yeah.
the buttons beep now. It's needless, but
Yeah. It doesn't matter. Spectate-paikki vain, mutta miten paikka on.
yeah. But maybe it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Normally that lock would open while it opens because it opens to the side.
Yeah.
At least on most models.
Yeah.
But they shouldn't MRIs these two here. But at least the motor is original, the cab is the same as the fixtures.
Yeah. That's
It's probably MP6 originally.
yeah.